Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the other storage on your Android or Samsung phone. On your phone, first we're going to swipe up and we need to get to your Files app. It's called My Files. Just swipe around and navigate to it. Now, within here, we need to make sure that we've enabled hidden files. At the top right, tap on those three dots and then tap on Settings for your files. You can see midway down here it says Show Hidden System Files. Make sure to turn this on. This will essentially allow us to see all of those hidden files that we now need to delete. Now, after you've done that, let's hop out of here, because next we're going to go into your settings. Swipe up and tap on the settings icon. Within the settings, all we need to do is scroll down. We're looking for, it's usually called device care, but essentially it's going to include storage. Again, if you don't see it, just tap on the search button at the top right and search for storage. Once we tap on that, you'll be able to see your storage. Let's tap on that and go through the process of clearing this. The easiest way to do it is to tap on Show More. You'll be able to see here, Other Files. Let's tap on that. What we're going to first look at is invisible backups. In my case, I would recommend deleting them. Essentially, these are usually failed backups. Go to Pending Files also. You can go through here and delete all of these. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to delete them, but try if you can. Then, go back to Other Files and go to Uncategorized. You can see all the files in here. Essentially, go through and delete any of these if you're able to. After you've gone through this process, let's hop out of here. We're going to clear out all of the cache, but we need to start your phone. Swipe down from the top twice and tap on the power icon. We're going to turn your phone off completely. It will restart normally and you will have cleared out a lot of that other data. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below.